So why are teams hesitant to answer when work will be complete? Well, that's a really good question. If we look at it from a behavioral point of view, more specifically, how is the culture in the organization set up to support truth and honesty? What is the fear of saying what is really going on? Or even worse, if you are communicating a risky position, how is that being received? What actions are taken? Are the support mechanisms in place to cope with that? So from a behavioural point of view, we should look inward to the team culture of how critical feedback is given and received, then to the wider organisation for its cultural reaction. So what can you do about it? Challenge the established culture. This isn't achieved by magic. Use data and metrics to support your case. Flow metrics could be a good place to start, but don't neglect any well-being metrics you could also gather. Head over to scrumfacilitators.com to find out how you can join us on a Kanban class and to learn more about how Kanban can help you deliver value.